Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPhone 60 Plus and I want to show you how to fix the problem when your game or app store application are not visible on your smartphone and you can find it on your device. To fix it, open Settings application, scroll and choose your screen time, and there connect and privast, where we must tap on first function, and there we have installing app don't allow. We must change it from don't allow to allow, and that's all. We can go back and try search App Store again, which is visible right now, and we can open it and install something from it. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.